The Happy Trails Bigfoot Kickstand extension. I'm going to go on right like that to the end of the kickstand. Now I'm doing this right after I installed the center stand, so reason being is that way the kickstand is free and I can kind of get to it and drill the holes that need to be drilled for the Bigfoot extension. So the instructions say to take the kickstand off, but since I have the center stand on and I've got some room, I'm going to try and drill the holes with it on. If I can't get the drill bit straight through, then I'll take it off, but I'm going to try it first without taking it off. So first thing is to place the Bigfoot onto the kickstand and mark a couple of holes through the holes in the Bigfoot so that we know where to drill. You can see those holes there with the marker. And we're going to use a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter drill bit to drill these holes through the bottom of the stand. Now the instructions say to use an automatic hole punch to dent where these holes are for the drill bit to start, but I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of freehand try and drill these. There we go. Alright, so the hardware that comes with the Bigfoot is a 10 millimeter nut with a number 4 Allen. So, and the nuts need to go up. You don't want those down into the mud. So we will put the plate on here. And make sure you don't do that on the burrs that you just drilled out. Alright, so had to kind of make a run on the bike somewhere is why the angle looks different. So anyway, so the last step here is to bolt the Bigfoot on. So pretty straightforward, just put it in place and pop these bolts, these nuts through, and these are locking nuts, so no need to Loctite them. And then these need to be torqued down to 9 pounds. So there you go, there's your Bigfoot. And this is the only Bigfoot you will ever see in the forest. Thanks for watching, guys. Click the like if these videos are helpful. Subscribe if you're new. God bless, and we'll see you next time.